Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can undo a timesheet approval or decline decision in your account on Wrike in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, for this method you will need to navigate to your Wrike account, of course, log into it and access the timesheets tab here on the left hand side for your account. Next, click into My Timesheet and you will see here the timesheets that have been submitted. And as you can see, I declined this one here for the sake of another tutorial. You can also navigate to the approved timesheets here. Now, if you'd like to undo this, if you're the decision maker, guys, you can undo this by clicking into this button. Or if you accidentally approved the timesheet, but now would like to revoke your decision, let me approve it for the sake of this tutorial. You will need to navigate to approvals here. And then check the status here to the right. And as you can see, it has been approved. So what you want to do is click into the drop-down menu for the approval status and undo the decision or straight decline the timesheet. That's up to you. You can also cancel the approval process. So it's one of these three options. And then it will switch back to pending approval. So that's the status again here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.